Hi, hello everybody. Mike from Belgium, Europe here, Brussels. A big shout out to my friend and business partner, Brandon Ivey. Education is key. So what I want to say, my friends, when I saw the courses of Brandon Ivey, I buy them immediately. You know why? I know that sometimes I went to weekends where we paid 5,000 euros, okay, to have some education. Here, okay, for less than $2,000, I had the all crypto education and in a language that also my grandmother could understand this. So I want to thank you, Brandon Ivey, because with these courses, okay, I earned already a lot more money, okay, than I lose, because in this world, okay, in the crypto space, there is a lot of volatility. And if you are not educated, you will lose a lot of money. So first thing, education, after that, earning money. So thank you, Brandon Ivey, for your courses. Bye-bye, Mike from Belgium, Brussels.